Let's start. The project name is the bounded service. Let's see the project structure. At the app level build.gradle file, we have set up the view binding. Here we have the main activity and a bounded service class. And in the UI, we have an activity_main.xml file, which is the main activity's layout. Let's see the UI. In the activity_main.xml file, we have two buttons, Get Data and Stop Bounded Service. In the manifest file, we have mentioned the bounded service class. The enabled attribute is set to true, but the exported attribute is set to false so that other apps won't be able to start this service. Let's see the Kotlin code now. These are the imports. This is the bounded service class that extends the service class. These are the data members. Here we have an object of the local binder class. In the onBind function, we return the instance of the local binder class. This is the local binder class that extends the binder class. It has a function called getService. This function provides an instance of the bounded service class to the main activity. Inside the getService function, we have called the computeData function, which does some random tasks and calculates some data. This is the computeData function. Here we have triggered an executor service to start a background thread. Inside the thread, we start a for loop. The current iteration of the for loop is saved in the data variable. This variable will be fetched by the main activity via this bounded service. These are the imports. This is the main activity. These are the data members. In the onCreate function, first, we set up the view binding. Then, we create an intent with bounded service as the destination. Then we bind the service with this main activity. When the Get Data button is clicked, we receive the data from the service, and is shown in a toast. When the Stop Bounded Service button is clicked, we unbind the service and the main activity. This is the service connection object. This object gets an instance of the bounded service using a binder and handles the service connection and disconnection. Let's run the app. So that's it. That's how you can implement a bounded service in Kotlin Android. Thanks for watching.